Let's go! Woo! Guys, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. This video is a benchmark in the YouTube videos, the YouTube channel, the journey, whatever it is, because today is it's a new record. It's a new record for the daily revenue on my store. And look, I'm behind, right? I was supposed to make a video about like my new record of 2K, 3K, 4K, but it's like this shit's happening so fast I can't even keep up. Like, we've missed I've shattered the record. Recorded on my YouTube channel, my record for revenue in one day was like 1.8, 1.9. Guys, it is 7:30 p.m. So we still have a lot to go. We're gonna hit a 6K day. I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna hit a 6K day. I'm looking at this. It's like, I don't even know what to say. Is this even my screenshot? Well, screenshot. Okay, it's not, guys. I'm not a scammer. Okay, I didn't mean that. I meant like, is this my like Shopify store? It's just insane. It's happening so fast, and I don't even know. Like, I have so much things to say about it. I don't even know where to begin, and I'm not obviously gonna yap for the whole video, but obviously, again, it's scaling so fast that almost every video is gonna be like a record. So like, just stay tuned and leave comments if you have any questions that you want me to answer, because like I don't know, I'm gonna try to now answer questions that I would have had, and I'm gonna make a separate video about like the belief, my faith in God about it, because like I actually had a really, really crazy experience. I'll make a separate video going deeper about that, but basically, just to sum it up, for an example, I don't know if you guys been following me, but for my YouTube, I had this moment where I needed 1,000 subscribers, right? I said by August of 2023 I was gonna get 1,000 subs, and it was like August 22nd, and like the month was almost over, and I was like at fucking 400 or 600. Like, and at the pace I was growing, I wasn't getting anywhere close. And then I like not gave up, but like I gave in. Like, I said, all right, it's not happening, or like, not that I didn't say, like, I lost faith, but I still worked at it. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't look at the goal anymore. I just said, all right, like, it is what it is, but I still gotta do what I gotta do. I still gotta record videos daily, right? I still gotta post. So I just kept doing the inputs. And then like August 26th or 8th, I had a video that blew up 10K views and boomed my account to 1,000 subs before August ended. And that was like a moment for me, like, oh shit, like, what the hell? And I didn't really understand it back then, but the same thing happened now. For the whole year, I was saying how this Q4 is the time for me to actually make like good money, like life-changing money, right? And as my bank account was getting lower and lower and lower and lower, and Q4 like already being in the mix, like, like Black Friday's done in a week, right? Obviously you still have like, for us, Christmas, Boxing Day, whatever, but it's all about Black Friday, and it was done in a week. I was losing hope, and again, I did the same thing. I was losing faith, but I gave it to God, and I said, you know what, look, whatever happens. At this point, like, I'm just gonna put it in the inputs. I'm just gonna work, and I just now trust you that whatever happens in my life is meant to be. You know, I'm done stressing and like predicting the future. I'm done saying like, oh, this is gonna be this. No, I just gotta focus on my inputs, and whatever happens out of it happens. And then this came around, and it just started boom. Like, bro, 6K in a day. Like, I know it's not that much, but for someone like whose previous record was like 1.8, someone who hasn't been scaling for like months, not like, it's crazy. And it blows my mind because I'm not a different person. I haven't changed. I'm still the same me. So I can clearly see like how like the numbers on the screen don't affect you. And it's like, don't take it personal about the numbers on the screen. It's just luck at the end of the day. It's persistence and luck. I wouldn't have gotten this product if I gave up. But I just kept going, and I got lucky. That simple advice that I've been giving people is that if you just show up every day, you won't miss a lucky day. It's so true. Your time's gonna come if you just show up every fucking day. And that's what I was doing. Bro, you can literally just watch like less than 5 videos ago of me fucking absolutely dead tired, so stressed, so exhausted. I was so tired. It was a tired that a good night's sleep couldn't fix. It was that type of tired. And I was losing hope. I was putting in so much inputs and not getting output. I wasn't getting any results. But I just kept putting inputs. I kept showing up every fucking day. And ecom has been consuming my mind for as long as I can remember since starting, right? It consuming, like, every time I'm out, every time I'm not here, my mind is here. You know, my mind is always here. And look, it's still a bit early. I made like what, 10, almost 11K. I think 11 actually. 11K in like 4 days, 5 days. We launched Wednesday. It's Sunday. Under a week, we've already hit like 11K, and it's just, I don't know. I'm just excited because I always wanted to be in this position where I found something, and now it's not about testing products. It's just about scaling, and like, not scaling where I'm just increasing budgets and kicking my feet up, bro. I've actually still, I'm pumping work every day. I'm still fucking working. I'm probably working even longer days now, but it's just that I guess because of the results, I'm enjoying it more but that's a bad thing, you know, because I should have had in my head that this was gonna come. So just be optimistic, trust in God. God's timing's perfect. Clearly, it's always the last minute, but there's no last minute for him because it's just he lives outside of time. Time doesn't affect him, so he's always perfect. So for us, when it's like the last second, it's always perfect. And I'm pumping creatives, but I like that I found something, and now I just get to grow it. You know, like, this is the fun part. You know, doesn't matter the product, or it doesn't matter the market, if like I'm so passionate about it. At the end of the day, that was another lesson that I've learned. It's like, who cares? Like, I'm passionate about business. I don't give like, to be honest, I don't care about like the market that I'm in. Like, I'll learn, you know, I'm gonna learn about the people. I'm gonna learn about the market. But I just like business. I like growing businesses. That's what I do. That's what I enjoy. So I was so iffy, like, oh, should I go into this market? Nah, it's like, no, I don't like that market. I don't agree with, like, you know, like, I was literally saying I'm not gonna go into this market because I don't agree with their beliefs. It's like, who cares, Julian, bro? If it works for you, just print. You like business, grow the fucking business. And that's what I'm doing. I'm enjoying my time now because besides me just pumping out creatives, testing I'm like a little scientist, like taking a hook with this body, looking at someone else's hook and tweaking it. Like, I'm just testing and pumping creatives because that's how you scale, right? But like, I don't know. I enjoy the idea of growing an actual brand now, Now that I have the capital that's flowing in, I'm less scared to take risks, and I feel more free to like come up with cool ideas that can actually establish a brand. Eventually like create a product line, not just one product. Maybe create a product line. I like the ideas of like adding upsells and after sells and seeing them fucking work. I like the ideas of looking at campaigns, new campaigns and seeing if it worked or didn't. I like the idea of coming up with new ideas for the brand. Like, how can I make this more branded? I have to talk to suppliers, maybe get better shipping time, better packaging. Maybe sooner I'm gonna have to get private, white label the packaging, whatever, create my own custom packaging. Then I have to order the product and do custom content, like build social medias organically. Like, I like that. I like all of that. That sounds fun because and then build teams. I forgot. Build teams, VAs, editor, content strategist, email flows, whichever I need for a team, because this is the fun part. And then eventually, even though it may be in a smaller market, maybe it might be, a certain niche, I still believe that if I can build this brand and create perfect systems, I can exit. I can exit and fucking cash out big. And again, I'm done predicting the future, so technically I'm having the mindset of whatever it is. But like, I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna, because I know the hardest part obviously is to find the fucking winning product, so I did it. Now it's just like, keep it. I'm gonna keep it. That was my mistake. I was shutting off like a profitable, maybe semi break even store when I found my first winner. But no, once the store, if it ever goes to break even, I won't give up on it. I clearly know that it's a good market that works for me, and this product worked. Maybe I need new creators. Maybe I need another product for this market, whatever it is. But I'm gonna keep my website. I'm gonna keep my store, and I'm gonna try to build a brand. And I'm gonna try to exit it. I'm gonna try. If it fails, it fails. Whatever. What they do, I made a big bag and I just move on. But like, my point is, this is the exact position I was saying that I was going to do. Find a product that works day one, scale the fuck out of it, and now build systems to make it sustainable, consistent, and fucking exit. We're in this game now. I'm just so fucking excited, bro. Stay tuned, man. Again, it's just like it, and it's so fast. It's so fast. Like, for me, I literally made 11K in 4 or 5 days, and half of that came from just today. So I can just imagine and I'm not decreasing budgets, so I can imagine oh man, bro. Stay tuned, bro. Stay fucking tuned. And if you want to know more about how I did it, check the link below, check the Discord, and we have fucking a great community there and connections that you'll, if you're serious about ecom, you'll meet good fucking connections there. Again, I have partnerships through the Discord, so check out below. And if you want to know more about my actual business, the actual store, go check the Discord. I promise you won't regret it. Stay tuned though for the YouTube, and I'll see you at the fucking top. Let's go.